Hey guys, welcome back to KK channel. Now today we got something in the package. Before I get started in this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on all post notifications. And I'm doing a big giveaway that's gonna be next video. So yeah, something came in the mail and I'm really excited because it's a keyboard, right? But we'll type a Ducky 24 keyboard. So yeah.
Ducky 24, you mean?
Yeah, it's a Ducky 24 keyboard.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it's from a dragon. Today we're gonna be unboxing it. So yeah, let's get into it. Right now we'll start. With it. Let me fix my camera. A Ducky camera. I love the box. I'm keeping it. Nice shirt. With socks to the back. And I'm going to play Fortnite with this. I'm a keyboard player, as you know, guys. It has some good keys. Pressing it. But yeah, make sure you watch it. Let's get at least 2 likes on this video, and I'll do the next one. So peace. Woo!